Peace and Power is actually a multi-sensory experience. Intention is to create moments of delight that will break the monotony and improve the emotional wellness of people who experience it. So the user is actually surprised when he or she sits down, and that actually triggers a light on. Finally, there's also a speaker on top, which is designed to play relaxing music, and this also allows for psychological wellness for people to recharge as they listen to the therapeutic music.
Yeah, so we've actually taken like the normal kind of journey when you're resting, and then tried to see how we can value add into it. And I think the birdcage was a result of that, of thinking through that process.